Welcome to our intermediate class in Microsoft Word. If you've been with us all through, you see that we've covered a lot of things that has to do with writing, editing in Microsoft Word. Today, I want to go and start intermediate. And for us to do that, I want to show you how you can actually do some things that is called hyperlinks in Microsoft Word. Hyperlinks in Microsoft Word. So let's go back to our Microsoft Word. Let me look for a document to bring out. I'll click on open and then look for a particular document like Ceiven handbook now. Then Cei-Tech Academy here. Yeah, this particular stuff. Let's come to our home. Now, what is the work of hyperlink? And how does hyperlink help you? Before I go into the work of hyperlink, let's see where you can get hyperlink in the first place. So for you to get your hyperlink, there are many things you need to do. Sometimes to right click. If I right click here, I'll bring my mouse here. Now right click. If I right click and scroll down, you see hyperlink, right? You see hyperlink. Or you come over to insert, click on insert, and look at the ribbons. If you scroll the ribbons, you see hyperlink here. And when you say hyperlink, what do you see? It says create a link in your document for quick access to web pages and files. Hyperlink can also take you to places in your document. Switch on heading and bookmarks. For example, you have a bookmarks, you want to bookmark this right up. You also want to get bookmark, right? Same insert. And you go and search for bookmark ribbon, okay? So you can actually bookmark this. Let's say I bookmark this with hyperlink. I can go over it and search for it. But what I want to talk on hyperlink today is how I can use hyperlink to access a web page. Let me show you a very good example. I've done a lot of hyperlink on this passage. I'll teach you practically how you can do this. If you check very well, you notice that each of these, the color is blue. All the blue color, I didn't give it blue color. But something that happened that made them to become blue, which I'll show you very soon. Money Minds Animation Training, a complete AI and animation course. Affiliate marketing, a journey from novice to ninja in affiliate marketing. Shopify Master Pro, the ultimate Shopify guide. Now, in all these that is blue, these are courses we offer, apart from the one we're teaching you right now. So if you need any of them, you can also browse them, ask me for it, and I'll send these courses for you. Okay? So these courses, sometimes you go to a website, you see something like this, and when you take your mouse there, it's also a hand. You click on it, take you straight to where you're going to buy it. These are done in Microsoft Word using hyperlink. So hyperlink, just from the word link, forget the hyper link. It helps you to link to your website right from your Microsoft Word. Let's say, for example, we save this work in another place like PDF. It will take us straight to website. So that wasting time, how do we accomplish this? Let me go to my website and show you how you can accomplish this in a jiffy. Here's my website, ceiven.com, and I go to shop and I go to page 10 because I have a lot of pages on this website. Now on page 10, you see there's a lot of courses, but I want to choose this Shopify dropshipping mastery. For those of us who want to learn dropshipping, kindly get in touch with me and I will actually show you all of this. So if I click on it, it will open straight away. Forget the amount that the price is written in dollar. Price can also be sold in naira, and it's very cheap. It's affordable if you want to. So I'll copy this. Let me just copy it completely. Copy this. Ctrl S for save, for copy. Ctrl C for copy. Then go back to my Microsoft Word. Come over here, and this is it, Shopify Pro. So I want to delete everything here because I'm teaching you something. Bring this, let me leave all these ones, come down here and then Ctrl V, post. Now when I copy and paste it, what do you see? You see it's just ordinary write-up, right? This blue color that is here is not here, just a write-up with red. Okay, now I want to add hyperlink to this so that if somebody come over and click here, we take them straight to that website where I copied this in from, and from there the person can actually buy this course from me. So let me now copy it. When you copy, select the page, the words that you want. It can be just one word or three like this. Then after that, like I told you, either you right click and then go to hyperlink. Hyperlink is here. you right click and go to hyperlink, or you go through insert. You click on insert and also go to hyperlink. Now when you get to hyperlink, what do? You come over, you see text to display, to define Mastery Pro. Document is a document, then the address. You go straight to the address, okay? You can actually bookmark this, you can target the frame, you can do a lot of things here, but that's not where we are going. You can also use an email address, okay? But you come over here and click address. Then you now go back to that website again. This is the website, and you double click on the address, then Ctrl A for select, Ctrl C for copy. You want to copy this address and bring it to a Microsoft Word, and then paste it on the address bar on your hyperlink box that just display. Okay, display box. So I click Ctrl V. Now I've copied them, I've pasted them. You now bring your mouse down and click OK. What happened? It has turned blue like others. You do see it? It has turned blue like others. Peradventure, I save this thing now on my PDF using PDF format. I want to show you how you can actually save from Microsoft Word to PDF. The easiest way to do it. So this is a class of 2-in-1. Okay. So I'll come to File and then click Save As. Okay. When I click Save As, I want to save it on my document. Then if you check here, it says save as type. What type are you saving it at? I want to save it as PDF. So you now click, instead of you putting after writing the file name, you go to the next one and then click and then move on to PDF. Scroll to get PDF and click PDF. Okay. Then once you do that, you save it and it will work in PDF. So the moment you click on save, it's going to appear like this immediately, okay, because you save it on PDF. So let me take you the step once again. To save from Microsoft Word to PDF, what do? You click on Save As. On Save As, you give your file a name. Then under the file part, you open the dialog box. There's a little arrow like this. Click on it, open it, then you search for PDF. If you have PDF, if you are using the newer version, you see PDF. Click on PDF, immediately save on PDF. And once you click on save, it will open the PDF version for you. Okay, let's enlarge this. Then let's scroll down to see what we did. Let's go back to that place. Yeah, these are all we did before now. This is the Shopify Mastery Pro that we just convert. Now, if you take your mouse there, you turn to hand. Look at it. You see the mouse turns to hand. What is this telling you? That this is a website, or that there's a link on this. So it's also a warning for some of us here who doesn't know about when your mouse turns to a hand. But your mouse turns to a hand, unless you are using maybe CSS, right, or maybe you are teaching on CSS. But if it's normally, if somebody sends you a message and you take your mouse there and it turns to a hand, then you have to be careful. You want to know if you know the person before you click. Otherwise, you click and you click wrongly. If it's a wrong link, it might cost you. Let me stop that way. It might cost you, okay? So when your mouse turns to a hand, know that there's a link here. So the moment you click on it, let's click on it and see what will happen. Take us straight to the website where someone can come over and buy our courses. Do you see it? Did it work? Of course it did. So this is how you can use hyperlink on your Microsoft Word. So in our next class, we'll see go over to intermediate and wrap it up. There we talk about the Microsoft stores and apps. The beauty, are you a school teacher, probably a mathematics teacher, or are you an English teacher, or are you a student, or anything you are? Please don't miss that class. It's just too important for you to know. You will learn many apps that you can use on Microsoft Word and how these apps can help you. And that's where we'll wrap up Microsoft Word for now, and then move on to Excel. So see you in that class, and please don't forget, touch the notification button, like it, subscribe to this channel, because every week, precisely before Wednesday or Saturday, we always try to post 2 videos, and each of the videos is all about technology. I want to teach you text, and like I told you, I'm moving further from Microsoft Word. We move on to Excel. From Excel, we'll come back to PowerPoint. From PowerPoint to Google Docs. From Google Docs to AI. So you have a lot to learn. Book a day with us. And if you also want any of these other courses, like here I mentioned, I have a lot of courses that I offer. Apart from this, you go to my shop, Ceiven.com, you go to shop, you see a lot of courses. If you want any of them, if you're in Nigeria, you want them to do the course, everything, if you want them in Naira, just call my attention and I will send all the courses to you for a little amount of money. Like how to create WordPress and e-commerce website, affiliate marketing for beginners to advanced, or Shopify dropshipping mastery course, ChatGPT tutorial step-by-step guide, or Facebook, Instagram marketing, WhatsApp guides and tips, complete graphics design for mobile and phone, for mobile and laptop. So we have a whole lot of courses. Feel free to chat me up if you need any of our courses, and we'll send them to you. See you in our next class. Bye.